Ladies and gentlemen, when was the last time you struggled to remove a stubborn keycap or mechanical switch from your prized gaming keyboard? Have you ever lost a keycap in the depths of your desk drawer or suffered a frustrating failure while attempting to pry out a switch? If so, you're not alone. Today's gaming keyboards rely on precise and secure keycap and switch assemblies to deliver fast, accurate, and responsive performance. However, as keyboards become increasingly complex, maintenance and repair tasks can become daunting and intimidating. This is where our topic of discussion today comes in, a two-in-one switch puller and keycap puller that's designed to make your life easier. Now, I want to ask you a question. Are you ready to simplify your keyboard maintenance process, improve your gaming performance, and enjoy a higher level of overall satisfaction from your keyboard? Let's face it, the world of gaming keyboards has evolved dramatically over the past decade, and so have our expectations. Today's gamers demand keyboards that offer customization options, advanced features, and superior durability. But with these advancements come new challenges, and proper maintenance becomes a critical aspect of maintaining keyboard longevity. In this regard, a two-in-one switch puller and keycap puller can be a game changer. Imagine having a single tool that can effortlessly remove both mechanical switches and keycaps from your keyboard, allowing for seamless customization, cleaning, or repairs. Sounds like a dream come true, right? Let's take a closer look at this innovative tool. Upon unboxing, I was impressed by the sleek and compact design, which measures a mere 7.5 inches in length. The ergonomic handle provides a secure grip, making it comfortable to hold and use over extended periods. The tool itself is constructed from high-quality metal and durable plastics, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of regular use. Upon handling the tool, I was pleased to find that it's remarkably lightweight and well-balanced, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. The four-claw press-type gripping mechanism is the real star of the show, however. This innovative design securely grips switches from multiple points, providing superior stability and ease when removing mechanical switches from the keyboard PCB. But what exactly does this mean? Well, for those unfamiliar with switch pulling, it can often be a time-consuming and frustrating process. Keycaps are notorious for getting stuck, and switches can be damaged if not removed carefully. By incorporating this press-type gripping mechanism, the two-in-one tool ensures that switches are securely lifted and removed with precision, minimizing the risk of damage and saving you valuable time. Let's dive deeper into the features of this tool. One of the standout aspects is the one-press eject design, which allows for effortless removal of keycaps. This is made possible by a cleverly designed keycap puller that can be easily triggered with a single press of the tool's lever. This feature is a game-changer for gamers who frequently swap out keycaps or perform routine maintenance on their keyboards. Another key feature of this tool is the precision-designed switch puller. The four-claw gripping mechanism not only provides superior stability, but also ensures that switches are not damaged during removal. This is particularly important for gamers who value performance and reliability above all else. Now, let's talk about real-world testing. I used this tool on several keyboards, including popular gaming keyboards from Razer, Logitech, and SteelSeries. The results were impressive, with seamless removal of keycaps and switches on all devices. I didn't encounter any issues or difficulties during testing, and the tool's ergonomic design made it comfortable to use over extended periods. But no tool is perfect, and there are some trade-offs to consider. For example, the two-in-one tool may not be as effective on very small or very large keycaps. Additionally, some users may find the tool's design to be a bit too bulky for their preferences. When compared to competing options, the two-in-one switch puller and keycap puller stands out for its innovative four-claw gripping mechanism and one-press eject design. These features make it an excellent choice for gamers who value precision and ease of use. So what's the final verdict? Overall, I'm extremely impressed with this two-in-one switch puller and keycap puller. Its innovative design, precision engineering, and ease of use make it a must-have tool for any serious gamer or keyboard enthusiast. If you're tired of struggling with keycap removal or switch pulling, I highly recommend giving this tool a try. Not only will it simplify your keyboard maintenance process, but it will also help you to improve your gaming performance and overall satisfaction from your keyboard. In conclusion, this 2-in-1 switch puller and keycap puller is a cutting-edge tool that's designed to make your life easier. With its innovative 4-claw gripping mechanism, one-press eject design, and precision engineering, it's the perfect choice for gamers who demand the best. So what are you waiting for? Get your hands on this amazing tool today and take your keyboard maintenance to the next level.